This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike.
No, this
Is a Swytch bike. In fact, any bike can be a Swytch bike.
And we really mean any bike.
All you need is a Swytch kit. Simply remove your boring old front wheel and replace it with a brand new Swytch motor wheel. Then fit the pocket-sized battery to the handlebars,
Or fit the long-range battery to the frame here
or here.
or here. Then simply start pedaling and feel the power. Hi, I'm Oliver.
And I'm Dimitro,
We are the founders of Swytch.
and our mission is to revolutionise the way you travel.
Swytch gives you so much power.
It's like me pedaling for you.
So whether you're going to work or to the beach,
Whether you're heading out or headed home.
with a Swytch kit on your bike, it's like the wind is always behind you. And every hill is a downhill. We're leading the electric bike revolution.
And we want you to join us.
Almost 100,000 people all over the planet have already turned their bike electric with Swytch. So whatever bike you have, someone else has already switched one just like it.
So, if you have a bike,
And you want an electric bike,
Swytch.